Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Kids, now you coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The alphabets of A. And use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use brown color, brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, again use brown color and draw G. G for guard, G for glass. The alphabets of G. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids, now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. And again use black color, black color. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids now Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And again use brown color. Brown color. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids lastly draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. And again use green color. Green color. The alphabets of Z. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.